Binigyan na ng go signal ng NEDA Board ang 6 na high-impact projects na nagkakahalaga ng halos 270 billion pesos. Kung ano-ano ang mga proyektong yan, alamin sa ulat na ito.
With these approved projects, the Marcos administration reaffirms its commitment to aggressively advance infrastructure development to attain our medium-term development goals of more high-quality jobs and better lives for all Filipinos.
Yan ang magiging layunin sa pag-aproba ng National Economic and Development Authority o NEDA Board na pinamumunuan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ng 269.7 billion pesos na gagamitin sa mga high-impact program at project ng pamahalaan. Sa Malacanang press briefing, sinabi ni NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan na una sa proyektong ito ang pag-upgrade at pagpapalawak sa Bohol Panglao International Airport. Ito ay isang public-private partnership project na may pondong 4.5 billion pesos. Layo nitong pataasin ang bilang ng mga pasaherong maaaring ma-accommodate dahilan para mas lumakas pa ang turismo.
We expect this project to boost tourism and as a result generate more high-quality jobs.
Isa pang proyekto ang dialysis center sa Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center na nagkakahalaga ng 392 million pesos. Layo nitong magkaroon ng mas abot kaya at mas malapit na hemodialysis treatment lalo na sa mga taga-Cordillera Administrative Region.
The most common treatment for its final stage is hemodialysis treatment, which requires hemodialysis machines. Currently, the Baguio General Hospital only has 30 machines, all of which are working at full capacity. Thus, this solicited PPP project will increase the number of active hemodialysis machines to 108 by 2029. This will enable the Baguio General Hospital to provide more affordable dialysis treatment to a greater number of chronic kidney disease patients.
Iba pang proyekto na naaprubahan ng NEDA Board ay ang Infrastructure Preparation and Innovation Facility na magbibigay sa DPWH at DOTR ng mas magandang mode for financing at pag-asagawa ng project preparation. Kinumpirma rin ng NEDA Board ang pag-approve sa tinatawag na Green Economy Program na papondohan ng higit 3 billion peso grant mula sa European Union.
The program will accomplish this by building the capacity of the national government, LGUs, and the private sector to mainstream and sustain green economy or green economy activities, enhance our circular economy, reduce waste and plastic, and increase energy efficiency and renewable energy deployment.
Kasama rin sa inaprubahan ng NEDA Board ang changes to the cost, scope at timeline o ilang pagbabago dulot ng inflation sa Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge Project, Cebu Bus Rapid Transit at iba pa. Alan Francisco, para sa Bayan.